Hi everyone, welcome to Jitandar's Biology. Transportation, that is the circulatory system. This is unit 3 from your syllabus. Transportation, the circulatory system. See Nana, in your daily life, early morning, right from your dawn to dusk, that is early morning you are wake up to until you go to the bed, you require several items. Early morning by wake up itself we require a toothbrush as well as a paste, and until you go to the bed you require so many things. All the things whatever we require cannot be produced where we are living, correct or not? So that's why that all the substances which has been required, products which are been required by us is been coming from some other place and they have been transporting from that place of production to the place of need. That system is only called a transport system. In generally in the outside we are seeing either roadways or waterways or airways or by the way means of different means of transport we are going to get transporting that. But whereas in the human body also the substance has to be transported from one place to another place, that is from one system to another system wherever it is required, and that only we are going to discuss here, that is circulatory system. See Nana, for example you take unicellular organisms like what? Amoeba as well as hydra. Unicellular organisms like amoeba and to some extent hydra. These type of organisms, how they can undergo the process of circulation means by the simple process called as a diffusion and osmosis. Osmosis. By the process of diffusion and osmosis, they can transport the materials from one place to another place. Either outside materials are taken into the body or internal materials can be exits outside from their body. But the same diffusion and osmosis only, of course osmosis and diffusion occurs in us also for transportation, but that only will be present for the transportation of us, means it requires a lot of time for the transportation of substances, correct or not? So that's why we require, that is in the multicellular animals. You know that multicellular animals like human beings, they are made up of with trillions of cells. As there have been trillions of cells are produced, so that's why the transportation is very problematic here, not like unicellular organisms. So that's why to make it faster or to make it faster transportation, we have been specially designed circulatory system has been designed for the process of transport system, for the process of transportation. And what are the main functions of this transport system? For what sake we require the circulatory system? First thing Nana, for the transport of nutrients. Transport of what Nana? Nutrients. Whatever the food materials we eat, that will be digested in the digestive system. That will be left over in the digestive system means we will get energy? No. They have to transport to the each and every cell. So that will be done by the circulatory system. And transport of gases. Yes, transport of gases. Transport of nutrients. And at the same time it is also useful for transport of waste materials, that is you take excretory materials to the excretory system. Excretory materials to what? To the excretory system. Excretory system. For a excretory system also we require, that is excretion also we require what? Transportation. So not only that, but also for transportation of enzymes, and transportation of hormones, transportation of enzymes, transportation of hormones, and transportation of salts, transportation of electrolytes, etc. For different purposes we require what? Transport system. So for the transport system, that is circulatory system. If you take the circulatory system in human beings, the circulatory system in the human beings you take, the main organs in the circulatory system is, that is the heart. Heart is what? It is a chief organ in the circulatory system, Nana. It is a chief organ in the circulatory. Heart. Next one what? Blood, as well as what? Blood vessels. These are the main components of what? Circulatory system. Heart is the chief organ. Next blood, and next one what? Blood vessels. These are the chief components of what? The human circulatory system. And you know that heart is useful for what? This heart can pump the blood. How? It pumps the water, blood, and through the blood that all the materials has been gets transmitted. It may be nutrients, it may be enzymes, it may be gases, it may be excretory materials, anything, that all the things will be carried through the blood by pumping of water, heart. So in this way the transportation will be occurs. Okay, by pumping of the heart, that blood will be pumped, and through the blood all these materials will be transported from one place to another place. And for this you have to know about the how we can say our heart is pumping with by seeing of heartbeats. By seeing of heartbeats. See Nana, this heartbeat will be always not equal. The heartbeats will be not at all equal always. It will be differs. It will be differs. Okay, from situation to situation. Situation to what? Situation. For example, when you are in the resting stage, your heartbeat will be 70, 72, 75 like that. When you run for 5 minutes and you can check your heartbeat, it will be increases. Sir, 1 minute. And like that, you go on physical activity, it may be increase or decrease. For example, you are peaceful of mind, at that time your heartbeat will be normal. If you have any tensions, your heartbeat may be increase or decrease. You are getting suddenly a snake came in front of you, you get a lot of fear, you will get a heartbeat increase. So that is heartbeat will be differs from situation to situation. It depends upon what? It depends upon the various things. That it depends upon your physical status as well as the mental status. Physical status and what? Mental status of a person. So depending upon the physical as well as the mental status of a person, we are going to depend this heartbeat. And to know about this heartbeat, a small experiment was given, activity was given in your textbook. Take a shirt button, or else you take that is a shirt button and your mastic, and keep in the center hole, you keep this mastic and keep on your wrist like this, and it shows the arithmetic up and downs. How many arithmetic up and downs it shows, you calculate in a minute. That is the heartbeat of you. Generally, heartbeat can be seen by the doctor by catching your wrist here. Catching your wrist. Okay, by calculating the ear on the wrist, a nerve will be there. This, if you simply press over this nerve, what will happen? The nerve shows the up and arithmetic up and downs. That is nothing but pulse rate. Okay, we can also see the pulse rate at the what? At your wrist. See Nana, moreover, this heartbeat is always equivalent to the your pulse rate. Heartbeat is always equivalent to what? Pulse rate. So heartbeat is always equivalent to what? Pulse rate. So this is about it. That is in a minute it will beat 70 to 80 times per minute. Same heartbeat will be 70 to 80 minutes means pulse rate also 70 to 80 minutes. For example, heartbeat decreases to the that is 70 to 65 like the 68, then automatically pulse rate also is the same. Always the heartbeat and pulse rate will be always same. To show this heart beat and pulse rate, a graph was given in your textbook. That graph is called as histogram. That is called what? Histogram. Okay, or else we can call it as what? Histograph. What is that? Histograph. That means here this is what? This is a heartbeat. Okay, this is what? Heartbeat. This is what? Pulse rate. HB means what? Heartbeat. PR means what? Pulse rate. Always the heartbeat is equivalent to what? Pulse rate. And a graph which is showing the heartbeat and pulse rate is called as histogram, not Instagram. That is a histogram. Okay. So like this. And next coming into here, Nana, this about the histogram. And in the year of, to know about this heartbeat, in the year of 1816, that is a person called as a René Laennec. René Laennec has been discovered that is a instrument is called as a stethoscope. It is simply called a steth. Okay, you see in the every doctor's okay neck you have this steth. Okay, that is stethoscope. First in the beginning how the doctors use it to observe the heartbeat, you know, that they keep their ears upon the chest and listen the in a minute how many heartbeats will occur. Later this René Laennec has prepared in a drawing paper sheet, and one end he folded, one end he kept in the ears and another end he kept upon the chest of the patient. Later he taken a bamboo stick, one end at the ear and one end. By seeing all these things he has been prepared an instrument called what? Stethoscope, which is useful to instrument, that is it is an instrument to calculate, an instrument to what ana calculate, that is heartbeat, to calculate what ana heartbeat. So this is about the, that is a calculator, that is a heartbeat. Calculate what na heartbeat. And moreover you take this the heartbeat will be varies from age group nana, depending upon age group also. You take 0 to 3 months infants, it will be the heartbeat will be 100 to 150 times per a minute. You take 0 to 6 months, sorry not 0, it is 3 months to 6 months, it will be the nearly 90 to 120 times per a minute. 6 months to 12 months these persons heartbeat, that is infants heartbeat will be, that is 80 to 120 times per a minute. 1 year to 10 years you take, they will be the 70 to 130 times per a minute. You take 10 years to 60 years boy, it is 10 years to 60 years that is children, adults as well as senior citizens, all the members their heartbeat will be nearly 60 to 100 times per a minute. But whereas well trained athletes, their heartbeat will be the 40 to 60 times per a minute. So depending upon the age also the heartbeat will be varies. Heartbeat will also varies. That is depending upon physical status, mental status, of course depending upon the age also the heartbeat will be varies. But whatever it may be, always heartbeat is equivalent to pulse rate. Heartbeat will be checked with help of strength by keeping upon our chest cavity. Why? Because heart is located in the thoracic cavity, whereas pulse rate can be checked by seeing upon the what? Wrist. So this is about the heartbeat and pulse rate. We have been discussing about the, to see about the human heart means he given about the mammalian heart. Okay, mammalian heart. Mammalian heart means what? You can collect either the heart from okay a sheep heart or a goat heart. Sheep heart or what? Goat heart. Why? Because the sheep heart or goat heart is similar to our heart. Why? Because we both belongs to what? Mammals. So that's why we can study the mammalian heart with the help of the specimens of this sheep or goat heart. From the butcher shop you collect it, and then you can drain out total water. Your total water should be drained out. Then what will happen? You have to collect the soda straws. For this activities you require, as well as a dissection scissors you require. Okay, and a scalpel you required, as well as a jug as well as a tray you require, as well as a water you require, and you require the hand gloves. These are the materials which has to be required. Okay, specimen of heart, soda straws, dissection scissors, scalpel, jug, as well as a jug means nothing but mug, a tray, as well as water and hand gloves. Procedure what you have to do? Procedure what you have to do means nothing but here you collect a specimen from the butcher shop, that is a sheep heart or goat heart, and you make that to drain out total blood outside from that, and then you clean it clearly. Whatever the cut stumps are there, like the stumps are will be visible outside, and in that you can keep the soda straws, and then you take a that is a scalpel as well as a dissection scissors. Scalpel means a sharp knife, and then from the ventral view, from the ventral means that is a top view. From the ventral side you will try to cut into the two equal halves with the help of the scalpel, and you have to do very carefully, Nana. Then what will happen? All the internal chambers like these 4 chambers should be gets open. The upper chambers auricles and lower chambers ventricles. That is right and left auricle, right and left ventricle should be gets open. So this is a way of doing what? Lab activity to observe the mammalian heart. So watching. Please like, share and subscribe.